Welcome back to Trail.Cook.Camp. Today we're checking out the Santa Ysabel Truck Trail, a 5-mile shelf road tucked inside the Cleveland National Forest near Ramona, California. This trail starts off by following the Santa Ysabel Creek. Since it's the middle of summer, it's completely dried up. What it does have though are some incredible mountain views and some fresh air. As the sun warms things up, you can actually smell the chaparral and the sagebrush all around. It's one of those little reminders of why I love being outside. Now let's talk about the trail itself. It's rocky, rutted, and a little bumpy, but nothing too technical. Just enough to keep it fun, but it's also a well-maintained area. You'll probably run into other off-roaders on weekends and holidays. Don't forget to give a wave. There are several gates along the way. Rangers will lock them up if there's fire danger or if the weather gets rough, so always check conditions before heading out. And if you plan on stopping, make sure you have a Forest Service Adventure Pass. You'll need one for parking along this road. Now I did see a few spots that look like they work for camping, but here's the deal. According to sdparks.org, overnight camping and fires aren't allowed. Since this is part of the Cleveland National Forest, they do have information on primitive camping, but I couldn't find this particular trail listed on their website. If you want to know more, it's always best to call one of the ranger stations and ask directly. If you do want to stay overnight, there are nearby campgrounds where you can book a site. beautiful day. The Santa Ysabel preserves have oak trees, rolling grasslands, and even wildflowers in the right season. The hills open up to these wide, peaceful views that make you want to stop, take it all in, and maybe throw down a blanket for a picnic. Overall, the Santa Ysabel Truck Trail is a short and scenic little adventure. It's perfect when you want to get out and get some fresh air and views without driving too far if you're a local. Thanks for tagging along today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join us for more adventures, cooking, camping, and sunsets on the trail. See you next time.